Fuck all that dumb shit, man.
Hey, money fly shit, boy.
What?
Yo.
What?
Hey. Hey.
Free Shake Smooth like man.
Hey.
Gang.
Yo.
Hey.
Yo. And I'm still on that same shit. Yeah. And I'm still with the ones that
So I decided on just doing everyday makeup look.
who your gang is. As long as you don't go and gang switch. Yeah, I'm still on that same shit. Yeah, I'm still with the ones that I can't.
So what I'm doing right now is just mixing both of the foundations. I'm going to apply it with the foundation flat brush first. And I got this brush from, I believe I got this from Chef Miss A. And then what I'm going to do is use the beauty blender to press the foundation in. So, and I mix them both because I have a little tan now. And this is still kind of like breathing. We're gonna make it work. And I used to do my eyebrows first before applying foundation, but I switch my routine every now and then. I have the tiniest forehead in this world.
I would name drop, but they nameless. I stay down with some pills and a banger. Dodging cops and the ops. My hitters not busting no self, no strangers. These niggas pussy, I know they are. I'm holding that AR just like a guitar. I'm off for X and a half a bar.
Okay, next I'm gonna go in with ColourPop No Filter Concealer, and I love this concealer. This is my new fave after the LA Pro. And I'm just gonna use this color in medium. It's 24. I'm going to highlight all the high points of my face. And then I'm going to go in with the light 18, the same No Filter Concealer by ColourPop. And I'm just going to go right on top of the concealer I already placed, just to brighten it up a little. I'm gonna take that same beauty blender and blend out.
My niggas gonna live life like some stars. Fly Givenchy, my entourage. But 22s on my little car. To put my foot on their little neck and apply the pressure to that little bit. My little hitting to hold the cake like a crutch. That's the definition of a motherfucking stick. I'm 10 Styles, it's nice to meet you, but I'm still in that fuck shit. With the dime moves and the rips. This money fly shit gon' make a nigga set trip. Marion Chris Brown, this on my neck. Should be sponsored by Nike, cause I tell a nigga check this.
Hey, check this. Yo, twin flexes, bro. Yo. Still smack, never change shit. Keep it fresh like I'm stainless. Niggas be quick to gangster, show some gay shit. 1 clip, 2 clip, redfish, bluefish, 4, 5, 6, head crack, head tap, leave 'em brainless. They be playing to the game, switch hit up Barneys. It was cleanup time. The money was dirty, but they couldn't trace it. And I'm still on that same shit. And I'm still with the ones that I came with. Don't matter who your gang is, as long as you don't go and gang switch. Yeah, I'm still on that same shit. Yeah, I'm still with the ones that I came with. Don't matter who your gang is, long as you not the one who go gangs with.
Yeah, I'm still on that same shit. Same gang, different day, bitch. Money fly, take gang to the death of me. Niggas never change, bitch. All these niggas on that play shit. Call him Murray, he'll spray shit. On the road, getting paid, bitch. Got no time for the fake shit. I'ma just keep it 100. These niggas be frontin', they don't want no money. I just been stacking them hundreds. They hear his flock and start running.
I just went ahead and did my mascara, or my lashes mascara, my blush, and my lip liner off camera. I'm just going to go ahead and highlight using the Anastasia Beverly Hills highlight palette. And I'm using the shade Summer. Yeah, I was just making sure I was saying it right. Summer. I'm just highlighting the high points of my cheek. I'm going to use a smaller brush to highlight the bridge of my nose and my cupid's bow and my eyebrows. Setting my face with the Max Fix Plus and then going over it with the Beauty Blender. That's my key to a flawless finish. And I'm gonna install still shots at the end of this video so you guys can have a better look.
I'ma just keep it 100. These niggas be frontin', they don't want no money. I just been stacking them hundreds. They hear his flock and start running. Gangin' and stewing, they buggin'. We send them shots if you bluffin'. Pussy boy, you don't want war, little nigga. Yeah, we come hunting.
I'm chasing his bread, catch him at that's what we duckin' the feds. Try to act something, we wanna be a chest. If he wearing a vest, I ain't straight for your neck. Be with them niggas that stay in the cut. Got me a gun that's as long as the truck. When I spin through your block, I'm fucking shit. I'm 50 shots in the clip when I post with